Hello everybody, welcome back to the Paythepoolman YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at a very cool feature in Paythepoolman called blueprints. So if you want to learn how to make repairs quicker, watch this video. Let's go ahead and scroll down to plus and routing. And once this page loads, we're going to hit repairs. And then once this page pops up, generally, this is where you would create a repair or a project and apply it for a specific tech and customer. But if you ever find yourself creating the same repair over and over and over, we have a little hack to create a blueprint for the same repair that you can apply each time and make filling out information simpler. So let's go ahead and go to empty blueprint right here. And we're going to give this blueprint a name. And then you can go ahead and click how many days this repair is going to take your tech. So any of these days will work. And then however many days you have the option right here to create information for each day so that your tech can follow along. So the duration, let's say it's going to be about an hour and 15 minutes to complete this repair. Any notes for the tech can go here. And then if you charge an extra cost for your tech, you can add that information right here. And then we have a couple cool features for this specific repair. You can add a text reminder for your tech 30 minutes before the appointment. You can allow the employee or the tech to send an automated text when they're en route to the repair so that the customer can see they're on their way and about to arrive. And then you can also click repair completed notice, which is going to send the customer a notification when that repair was finished so they know it's all done. And then when you're done with all this information, go ahead and click save. And it's going to save right up here in blueprints. And as you can see, I already have a couple. If you never need it again, you can click delete. And if not, we can go back here to create. Go here to your customer. And then right here, click blueprint and select the blueprint that we just made. And that will fill out right here all the information. All you'll have to add is the repair date that you want this to happen. And if there's a specific time that you want your tech to show up, assign it to the employee that you're choosing. And if you want to change any of this information, you can, or you can leave it because we already added the information. You can import any notes from the bid if you created a bid before this, or any repair requests, and click save. Then if we look at our month, there it is right there. That is the blueprint we created with the specific information for this day. If you need to edit anything, you can click edit. If you'd like to create this for another day or just change it all together, go ahead and click delete. And that's going to be all for this video. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient software and our caring support team. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content, and we will see you in the next video.